Welcome, traders! This video will show you how to set up a data connection for Polygon. To begin, the Tickblaze website has a connections page which includes a list of all supported data providers. As we are a broker and data-neutral platform, you can look through the available connections and see the various asset classes they support. In the case of Polygon, they support crypto, stocks, and FX. Keep in mind that free accounts provide historical data only. There will be no real-time data and therefore no ability to trade. If you'd like to read along with the video, you can click on Platform and Documentation to go to the wiki. Then click on Detailed Usage Instructions, Connections, Data Connections, and click the provider to get to their written documentation. From this page, you can click on the link to sign up for a free Polygon account. Once you've completed their registration and verified your account, you can select your API key from the dashboard and copy it. Once you have copied your API key, open a desktop in Tickblaze and go to the top menu, select Connections, then New Data Connection. Select your data provider from the list and click Next or Connection Name to continue. Give the connection a detailed name if you wish, then click Next or Provider Settings to continue. In the Provider Settings section, paste your API key into the appropriate field, then tick the boxes for Free Account, Stocks API, and Currencies API. Make sure to untick Delayed Stock Data unless you actually want delayed data. Now click Finish to complete the connection setup. Now you need to connect to your new data feed. From the top menu, again select Connections, and now you will see the new connection you just created in the list. Select it to connect. If prompted to reload the desktop, click Yes and wait for the data to connect.
Disconnected. Connected.
Once connected, you should see that data is flowing, and chart bars for the supported instruments will load. If you find you have any difficulties with setting up your data connection, you can submit a support ticket for help by selecting the top menu, Help, and Submit Support Ticket. A member of our support team will be happy to assist you to get your data feed going.